Okay, so I'm heading out for an evening walk. It's a cold day today in Florida. I think the weather was like 50 degrees today morning. And even now, I think it's like 61. Yeah, beautiful weather. I'm trying out this new setup where I've mounted a GoPro on top of the stroller and Casey's just relaxing. And I have like an older GoPro, like I think it's the Hero 9. And I've just put it in like the mod, like the media mod, and then I've hooked up a wireless microphone to it. So trying out just testing how it works, and we'll find out. Yeah, by itself, like GoPro, iPhone, like if you use these devices to record video, then it won't capture the best audio. Like the video footage might work great, but the audio will be choppy, and sometimes that won't be a very fun viewing experience. So a quick tip from my side is to invest in a wireless microphone, something with a noise reduction or like a noise cancellation filter. So that really helps out. But yeah, here we are taking a walk during the golden hour. Yeah, I really love going for walks around this time. Yeah, I'm just kind of experimenting how this video holds up. So I'm just gonna do kind of like the camera's perspective of the entire walk, and then yeah, I think Casey wants to go to the playground, so we'll see if we can route our way over there soon. We'll go there, girly. Just go over the bridge, okay? I mean, I don't blame her. She has been having a lot of fun on the slide. And the swing. She really loves the swing too. Okay, let's go over the bridge. Yeah, most of the northern states in the US are having a snowstorm or just severe weather, so it feels it feels really nice to just wear shorts and go out for a walk in Florida. I mean, Florida has its own issues. Like we get a lot of hurricanes, and like the summers are pretty hot compared to something like North Carolina or Tennessee. But we do not get those freezing temperatures and 6 feet of snow. Casey's doing pretty good. Yeah, she had a busy afternoon. We were playing with her and the baby. Busy times for her. Yeah, the stroller is really fun too. Like it's one of those strollers with the air wheel, so you can always take it over rough terrain, and it does pretty good. screen on my GoPro keeps going off, but I do see the red light blinking, so I know it's recording, but I guess to save the battery, but I wonder if that's a setting I can toggle off. I don't use it that much, so I'm not worried about the battery draining. It's a funny story about the GoPro. So when I got it, like, I don't even know, like, before 2020, I was exclusively using it for pictures, which is crazy. It's like an action camera recording 4K footage and 24, 30, 60 FPS, and I was just clicking away like random super wide angle pictures, which, don't get me wrong, is like great, but I was missing out on the entire point of having a rugged action camera in my pocket. But since last year, I've started like paying more attention to video and just learning the different styles, formats, and using my camera gear for more videography. So that has allowed me to that has just allowed me to go back to some of this gear that I have and reuse it, so that's fun. Okay, so this is going to be a short walk. I'm taking Casey to the playground. It's about to get dark. I think sunset is in like 7 minutes, so it'll be dark in like probably 15 minutes. Yeah, you can tell she's excited. This would be fun to do on the beach. I might do it at the beach sometime. Yeah, Janie would like it too. Once the kids are a little older, we'll start going to some more parks and longer drives, and I'll try it out over there as well. Yeah, I haven't been to the beach for sunrise in like ages, but we'll try to make it happen. We have been quite often, but that's mostly for sunset, but not for sunrise. Okay, here we go. Finally made it. Oops. Let's get in. All right, now we will let Casey go on the slide, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.